Hey loves, welcome back. So you can't see me right now, but hey, today I am filming my room tour. Well, this is more like my Toddler room tour, Sophia's room tour, because this is basically pretty much her room. I just sleep in here because everything in here is hers. All I have in here is probably my clothes and pajamas. Everything else in here is Sophia's. So I do share a room with her, and it's not bad at all. I really don't care. I really don't be in here too much. Like I said, this is her room. So I do live at home with my family and we share a room and it's pretty good. This is kind of like how I grew up. I grew up with all my family in the house. So Sophia is very blessed to still have everyone around her. We are moving maybe the next year or so, but I'm not gonna rush it too much. She loves her school. She loves being here with her grandparents and her aunt and uncle. So this is just how it is for now. So yeah, this is how her room is from the door, and I will show you her room from another angle as well. But again, yeah, let's go in and I'm gonna show you how everything looks. Alright, so when you come in the door, I'm standing at the door. If I open the door, you're not going to be able to see. This is all of Sophia's artwork that she's done in school and her Peppa Pig calendar. And I just like to hang these up here. She really likes hanging them up so she can see everything. And I have some of her costumes and things she likes to dress up with hanging up right here, and some shoes, her shopping cart, and then that's just a thing with some of my things. And to the side here, this is her little rocking chair. She doesn't sit in it as much, so that's why I just have it here with her blocks. And she has some little slides that sits in there. So if you come this way, so this is where the TV and stuff is. There is all her artwork. This is from last year. During the summer, we like to go outside literally every single day and paint. So this is what she did last year. So now this year, we're going to take this all down and get ready for some new artwork that's going to go up this summer. Peppa Pig is on the TV. She loves Peppa Pig. So up here is like really cluttered. I need to get like baskets and stuff, but this is just all like little toys that I don't have space for right now. And I have her humidifier and her shoes, her DVD player, and in those drawers, those are her like DVDs. I do keep a little potty still in here because sometimes, like I said, I live home with my family, so if somebody's in the bathroom, I want it to be able, if she has to go really fast, I need her to be able to get to the bathroom and, not pee on herself. Here is her crib and her name, and this painting over here is one that my mother did for her, and then that painting I got from Hobby Lobby, and her name on the wall I got from Amazon. I paid literally probably like less than $20 on this thing, and it is so nice. The lamp is from IKEA. Her bed is from Target. It is a convertible bed, so it converts into like 4 things. It's a crib, a toddler bed, which is what it is now, and a full bed, so 3 things. So it's a 3-in-1. Her bedding is from Amazon as well as it's a toddler bed. And this rail is a toddler rail. It's a little dirty, but I'm trying to figure out how to take it off so I can wash it, but it's hard to take off. But anyway, the toddler rail is from Target as well. Her bed skirt is from Home Goods. I found it like 2 weeks ago. It was on sale. Super cute. I love it so much. Her rug is from Target. It's a Shopkins rug. She's not really into Shopkins like that, but she knows what Shopkins is and she loves the rug. So if you come over here, this is the dog's bed. So Chewy does sleep in here as well. He cannot, not sleep with me and Sophia. He's like attached to us like glue. So this is Chewy's bed. And this is the rest of the room. So this is all of her toys and things. So I'm going to go into what everything is. So over here, this is her drawers. This is from IKEA. I only have one drawer and I have like my pajamas in there. But, I have her pajamas, her clothes, and all of her bath products at the bottom. So on top, she has her iPad, her piggy bank, her glasses and things. She likes to look cute. And some puzzles, some things that we practice on doing her ABCs and numbers on. And these are her books. I'm gonna buy some shelves. I found like some little spice racks at Ikea for like $3.99, so I'm gonna have to get those soon so I can hang them up and put her books there, and maybe I'll put the little toys in this little basket. And this picture is just me and Sophia. Look how young I look. I was like a little baby at that time. I was like 23. And there is Sophia when she was probably what, 2-3 months old. She's so little and light. So this is just a little thing. I have like her sonogram pictures and stuff on it from when she was in the belly. And this is where I hang her jacket, her coat, and her book bag for school. So pretty much this is like a little apartment for Sophia. Most of these things you've seen on what I got her for Christmas. So over here is, you know, that is vacuum cleaner and her cleaning supplies, you know that. So this is her little kitchen. This is how it looks. I know I was complaining about it in what I got her for Christmas video because it's the wrong kitchen, but you know, it will do. It's nice. It's amazing for her size. She has a lot of time to grow into this, and it is really cute. She has all her little supplies and everything. She's cooking like every day. Trust me, if you was here, she would be making you some food too. So this is her table. I got this from Ikea. This was like $20. In all honesty, I do not recommend this table. This table is practically falling apart. The nails, the screws will not stay in this table. So I have to get her a new table soon because this thing is garbage. But you know, I have to deal with it for right now until I'm able to get her another table. She has her Kindle on top of it, and she has, well, it's not a Kindle, what is it, Amazon Fire, I don't know. And then that basket is just holds all of her fruits and vegetables that she can practice cutting and things like that. And she eats breakfast at this table every morning. So this is her little Mcstuffins Nursery. This is how she takes care of the baby. She has the baby in there with a little baby Peppa Pig and her little Hatchimals on the side. So she plays with this every single day too. She reads to the babies and everything. So this tree I got from Amazon as well. I think this was less than $5, you guys. And it's amazing quality. It took me maybe 20 minutes to put up. And it is so cute. It just goes with her room to make it, you know, girly and young, and it's really, really cute. I love it. And that's just more for artwork that she did at school. And yeah, last but not least, that's just my bed. That's just where I sleep, but you know, nothing spectacular there. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. Super short, quick, and sweet of Sophia's room. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye.